Hey guys, it's Thomas here. Decided to do a little check of these ambulances, especially the camperized one. Both of these are 03 Ford E350. Both of these were two-wheel drive stock, but we rebuilt them to fully 4x4, and yeah, they're pretty capable. This camper here sits on a 33-inch tires. These are 35s and a bit wider. Manual hubs, locked, unlocked. Just actually had to clean this one, it was stuck, but you know, a little bit of grease and good to go again. Front bumper, lots of lights down here, up there, and the winch for the horrible situations that you don't want to get yourself into. Here we got a spare fuel rack, spare tire, bumper, hitch for bike rack or a motorcycle or whatever. Little awning here, hot water heater and a diesel heater for the water and the coolant. Lots of lights in the back and a camera. This little guy, storage here, water, different kinds of fuel. We'll go talk about it later, maybe not. Little ladder here, solar panels, tank for gray water, fuel filters. What else we got here? This is a hookup for shore power, and this is a hookup for water. You got the roof rack up top for a boat or whatever you want to throw up there. Here we got shower and toilet, as you can see. Batteries. Both of these are 7.3 liters. Like this. Backup camera. Kill mat and insulation definitely help to reduce the noise here in the cab. You can find us here on Instagram. This unit is for rent. Go. Door storage here. Let's go inside. Battery monitor, all the solar and electrical stuff. It's in there. Inverter. Then we got a front panel here. These seats, you can actually swindle them. They're from Delica, which is like a Japanese four-wheel van. Over here we have the bed where all the magic happens. It's a memory foam mattress, very comfy. Here we got the diesel heater and the hot water heater. A sink here. Water. Things coming out because the pump is not turned on. Lots of insulation up here, everywhere. The sides, I put a lot in the doors there. Here we got fridge and a little freezer. Fan is a must in every camper van. A little blind here, so you can roll down for some privacy. Got the security cameras here. There we go. You can see someone is walking. Bears and people, you know. And we got some storage. More storage everywhere. Lots of storage. Little table, you can actually put it back there between the little seats. That's the panel. We use lots of the buttons for all kinds of stuff. Dials to, you know, keep an eye on the engine and all the fluids and temperatures. The DP tuner, it's a chip for, you know, different modes.